welcome back to the channel. I'm Scott, this is Mark 2 Golf Stories, and today I'm going to be replacing the fan blower and resistor pack. So without further ado, let's do it. Okay, yeah, so as mentioned, I'm replacing the resistor pack on my fan because, well, this only works on one speed. But also, as you can hear, the fan is quite noisy. So yeah, I'm going to be doing two jobs in here. Should be fairly easy. Now, I've not tied all these cables away because I knew I'd be taking this out to get the fan out. So let's get this off. Then I can look at tidying up all these cables when I've replaced this fan. This should be a fairly straightforward job. But you know what it's like when you say that. Things never as easy as they should be. Also, anybody has any idea what this is? There we go. That's been plugged into it. Let's get that plugged in. Not sure what that's for. I'm sure it's very important. Anyway, so this one's going to unplug from here. Little clip there. Pulls out. This fan should just twist out and drop. There we go. That comes out nice and easy. So where do you guys run these wires? Is there anywhere for them to go up here? Any clips anywhere? Looks a bit better, doesn't it? What is this, by the way? This looks like it could be an illumination. Anybody got any ideas what this blue, brown and blue wire is? I haven't got a clue. What this blue wire might be. I don't know where that comes from either. These are tweeter wires for up here. This is obviously a speaker wire. I need to get some extension on that. Here's our new fan. As you can see, it comes sans resistor pack, but don't worry about that. I've got a new one here, Rid one. And you've got two terminals on here, positive and negative. So it should be very simple. Positive one obviously goes on here. There we go. And then that should pretty much just clip, slides in at the bottom, I think, does it? Slides at the bottom and then pushes in at the top. There we go. How easy was that? That's just a case of putting this in the car and plugging it in. Let's get that plugged in. And let's just check that it works on all three speeds. Lovely. Obviously goes in that way. There we go. Right, let's get this put up somewhere. The screws aren't going to get into it. Up here. come back to this another day when I get some more wiring, I think. Also, what the fuck is this? No idea. Not a random wire. Let's get this back in place. There we go. Secure-ish. Take this with it. But yeah, there we go. At least that's all. At least that's all looking a bit tidier now. Time for the final test. Let's move this back in here. So, look at that. Ooh, seems quite powerful. Although, saying that, the air seems to be coming out of my vents. Not air coming out down here. Okay, I've noticed a slight difference. See if you can see it. That fan is spinning that way. It's probably because I've got the plugs on the wrong way around, isn't it? That fan's spinning the other way, so I think I need to swap over the terminals on the back of the pack. Let's try that. Yeah, I did wire up the wrong way around. What an absolute dork. So yeah. No, I didn't actually. I had the red on the left, which is the positive. I think that's the... I mean, you'd think the red wire would be the positive, wouldn't you? And the brown would be the negative, but let's swap them round. Brown on the positive, red on the negative. Plug that in. That's spinning the right way round now, so yeah, there you go. Be careful of that when you put it in. Make sure you check it before you put it all together and put your dash back together. Now let's see. Yeah, there we go. We have blowing out of my vents. That's much better. Right, put this back on again. go, that's the fan and resistor pack replaced. Dead easy job. Just make sure you put the terminals on the right way round. If you found this video useful, please give us a like, click on subscribe, buy us a beer. Don't forget we've got loads of awesome Mark II merch which you can check out. T-shirts, hoodies, cups, all really cool designs. Some not so cool designs. Anyway, I think it's good to finally have the interior all put together in this car, no loose wires hanging around. I think the next job for me to do then is probably give it a good old proper clean in the car. Hoover, leather conditioner, shampoo the carpets, get it looking proper nice in here. Anyway, until next time, thanks for your support, thanks for watching. Let me know if you found this video useful. I'll see you in a video again soon. Bye bye.